We're not as far away from VWAP as we were yesterday. So it would be nice if this can go a little bit higher. So basically, if we can get into these standard deviations within the next 20 minutes, so 26K, 26,600, 26,580, if we can get up there in the next 20 minutes, for me, short position into VWAP, flip long. And that's just the same every single time that we get this kind of volatility. That's the kind of thing I want. I want to see price moving away from VWAP. As we go into news, then news corrects, and then you get that continuation, which is what happened yesterday. So we can look back at yesterday's, where was it? This one. Okay, so this move away from VWAP happened really early on in the day yesterday, but we were holding it. Okay, we can see we came into those standard deviations, opportunity to take a short position, SFP at the highs, back into VWAP, and then you get continuation. All right, and then that goes and takes out the previous day high. So similar situation. So without really looking at where we are on the chart overall, I think that is probably what I would like to see. And then I may take a position based off of that. Like, Delta's just climbing, it's all long positions opening up. So for me, that's giving the best opportunity here. So you want to see, so this should be a red box. Red zone. And then we just have this green zone down here, which is coming back into that VWAP. Let me go over onto, what do we want to look at? What do you want to see? Bitcoin. Okay, Bitcoin's in that box. So Bitcoin has hit this. What is even the data? What has the ECB done? What have they done? What have they done? What have they done? They have hiked. It was not expected that they would hike. It was expected that they would remain at 4.25%. It was forecast that they would remain at 4.25%. They have hiked. So no wonder all of the liquidity has been drained out of the market, because, yeah, there's like literally nothing in the order book anymore. Okay, yeah, so look, there we go. Did anyone short it? Hype in the chat if you took the short position from my red box. And there go all my alerts. All right. Interesting. Is that going to be enough of a pullback on here? This is so much going on. So much going on. And we haven't even had PPI yet. Oh my God. All right, order book's starting to fill back in again on the SPX, on the ES. ES, there you go. So that one didn't happen. We got this one. So I've taken the scalp short. Okay, there we go. There's PPI, a little bit of a drop. Coming into VWAP now. Come on, keep dumping. Keep dumping. Keep dumping. All right, there we go. Okay, I'm out of that position on the S&P 500. So I just closed this here at VWAP. I don't have enough capacity in my brain to be talking and looking at multiple charts. That for me is enough of a scalp. Short here, close it here, done. Get out, take the money, run away. That was a cool $540 profit in 12 minutes. Bitcoin is still, this is exactly the same thing that it did yesterday. Exactly the same thing. Anyone who is short from Redbox, now would be the chance. There's your VWAP. Now is the chance that you take profit, and you would like to see a bit of a reaction here. I mean, scalp long from VWAP on Bitcoin worked a treat yesterday. It's having a decent reaction so far. Fuck me, if this works, like, I am literally God. And I don't know why anyone would ever watch anyone else. Because, holy shit, look at how good we are. It's fucking ridiculous, man. Like, everything. Bitcoin, ES, NASDAQ, called every single one of them. Oh, come on, look at the VWAP, man. Look at the bounce. I know it's not much so far. But literally, red box, green box. During a news event. Do you realize, like, how good that is? Yeah? Like, that. All it did was that. All it's done is that. You are seeing the master in action. I'm just having fun here. This is what I spoke about this in the Discord earlier on. When I'm feeling connected to the market, I trade mostly off intuition, like 90% instinct. It's almost as if I manifest it, kind of hard to explain. I just know what will happen and I have zero fear and zero emotion. As soon as there is a disconnect or I feel any emotion, then I'll step away and focus again on a systematic setup. So I start to, when I'm in the flow and like everything's kind of working out, like today it's just, I've won every trade so far today. Last Thursday, I had that 9 trade winning run. When I'm in the flow like that, it's just literally like, I'll long it there, I'll short it there, just do that, do that, do that, do that, do that, do that. And everything just seems to work. And it's based off of course there is theory behind it, because I'm like, okay, I know the VWAP works. I've traded it hundreds of times on news releases. I know the VWAP, like it's basically all it is. It's very, very simple stuff. But I know it works because I've got the data to back it up. So then when it comes to it and when I come to trading it, I just know. I know that it's there. I know that this stuff works. So I'm just like instant.